Mrs. India Pageants welcomes you on Tourism Queen, along with our queens, Mrs. India 2019-20 winners, international delegates, and international title winners. So they have represented Mrs. India on world's premium beauty pageants. And today we are discussing Lockdown 3 and how it is going to impact our travel, our tourism. And what we are not going to discuss is our domestic plight. Like we are washing the utensils, we are cleaning the house, we are cooking, we are cleaning all the mess. We are not going to discuss that. Do you want to discuss, Surabhi? Do you want to discuss this?
No, ma'am, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
How about Priyanka?
Oh no. All the Zoom meetings are only about that.
Yeah, there's so much of stress.
We need to come out of that actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are not going to discuss that one. So what we are going to discuss is a very interesting one. What was your last travel? Okay, so it can be domestic or it can be international. Your last travel, which is more memorable, and where you have some certain stories or good points to discuss. So what was like mine? Was the domestic one where I traveled to Bangalore, and I did have a meeting with Priyanka. We had a good time on Women's Day, and I planned for my next travel to towards Surabhi on I think 18th week.
My last. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, so my last travel was to my hometown, Raipur. I traveled there for my brother's Roka ceremony. So I'm feeling so relieved. At least I could get him engaged before all this lockdown and everything.
He's so lucky.
Yeah, just 4-5 days before this lockdown, we could get him engaged. So now we are feeling accomplished. At least we could finish some important.
After marriage, they will think, "अरे यार, 4 दिन late हो जाता तो बच जाते."
अभी तो they must be really very happy. Later they'll say कि वो 4 दिन की वजह से हम फंस गए. अभी तो they must be enjoying their courtship period, talking over phone and all.
Yeah. How about you?
But they're in the different houses, no? I'm doing good, ma'am. My last travel was finally we could do Mrs. India Karnataka Hassan. We organized the pageant that was in my hometown. So that was the last domestic travel. Wow. And then I'm happy that we actually finished the district level pageant because we never knew that state level is not going to happen any sooner or the national level. So I don't know. We never knew all this would happen. And that was the domestic travel I did. And then international is obviously for Bulgaria for the Mrs. Planet competition, and which I can never forget in my life.
Yes.
So 2019 was filled with my travel plans, and I couldn't even sit for a minute because I was just planning traveling, packing. So, I'm glad I finished so much travel, last year, and this year is quite opposite.
So you really don't.
Now it's time for you to travel.
Sorry, there's some network issue.
No. Do you don't miss your travel?
Yeah, definitely. Now, last year I was I was grumpy for traveling. I was like, I didn't want to go. I didn't want to pack. I was like, I wish I was at home. So maybe God heard my wish. Now this year, I'm like, wow, I know the real value of traveling outside. Now we be thankful for.
Wow. How about you, Surabhi?
Ma'am, for me also, my last international travel was for my Tourism Queen International pageant in Thailand. So dreamy travel, it's a wonderful time I had. So now I'm like, no, so many friends I made that time. Now I'm spending times talking to them, what's happening in their country, what are they doing. So this year, we never thought that like, we'll get stuck like this. So
Actually.
this is what has happened. But made a lot of friends, so they are there on Facebook, enjoying seeing them now.
Yes, especially I keep seeing Mrs. France.
Yeah, she is very, very regular. She keeps posting her videos and photos and TikToks, and it's so nice to see her. Even this is Myanmar. She's very
Actually,
active.
I would like to tell you, I think Priyanka will also agree with me. We really enjoy your TikTok videos. I mean, it is, people are saying we should not use TikTok, but it's okay, your son and your husband, they're so funny.
Actually, it's because of my son. He enjoys doing all this, and this is one thing which brings smile on everybody's face. So we enjoy doing it. So we make couple videos, and my son and my husband also, they enjoy making
Your couple videos are really funny, and I mean in a good way. It's very nice.
Yes, it's exactly opposite to how we are. We're absolutely not like this. So we make absolutely
So
opposite
I'm like,
videos.
Abhishek, I'm watching you, okay? ज़्यादा ये मत करो, और else नहीं तो queen घर से बाहर निकाल देगी.
Bilkul. If you would have been like this in reality, you would have got it actually from my side. But he's not like that. Poor thing is very sweet.
Actually, he knows that in reality is not going to happen. So I think he is satisfying his wish. Acting से ही सही कि खुशी तो ले लो.
हाँ. Acting में ही दिखा दूं कि मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ types. Otherwise, so it's been a great support all through.
Good. Keep it up. We are actually enjoying, See, I tell you, my last travel was, the international travel was actually very beautiful. But end was, I think, one of the biggest disaster of my life. Like, I lost my money and I'm supposed to change. I did not know that I need a travel visa or some sort of a visa just coming out of Myanmar to Thailand and all that. Transit visa. Sorry. And I lost my money. I don't know where I'm going to get the photographs and all that. It was so horrible that I said, "Iske baad 6 mahine mein kahin travel nahi karungi. I'm not going to travel." And I think my wish was like granted. Tathastu. Ja apne ghar mein jaake baith.
So I'm seeing actually God has listened to all of our wishes. Last year we all traveled so much that God said, okay, now even if you want to, you'll not be able to travel.
I will never say that again, I'm sure.
I will never ever say
As the lockdown is over, everybody is booking tickets.
So we'll actually reach that time when we'll start saying, oh God, I want to travel now, please. Then only we'll start traveling.
See, honestly, I really miss traveling, because I love traveling. I miss
That's
that.
so much fun.
It is so much of fun, And what I actually enjoy is, getting up, नींद में आधे चल रहे हैं, बैग पकड़ के जा रहे हैं, कैब में कौन सी बैठ रहे हैं, we don't know. I mean, all that stress has somewhere gone, late night का flights पकड़ो, and सब stress ही खत्म हो गया.
Absolutely. Or actually travel, we feel grumpy that time that, oh, रात में जाना हो रहा है, morning में जाना हो रहा है. But later we realize वो इतनी अच्छी memories हो जाती हैं बाद में, to talk about, to discuss about, to tell stories. वो travel से ही हो पाता है.
Only when you travel, you make memories. You have something to tell, like you went there, you did that. So घर में बैठ के कुछ भी नहीं बन सकते. Last year actually I traveled a lot. I started with Sweden and Denmark, Norway, Italy, Malaysia and Bulgaria.
Oh my God.
And domestic also I traveled like crazy. So too much traveling I did last
So
year.
you've kind of covered so much that you don't need to travel.
Yeah, for next 2 or 3 years I've traveled. So I was really hating aeroplane food. Now I don't know, I'm craving the plane food. I don't know.
Seriously,
I never actually
drink
do that.
coffee.
I just want somebody. somebody to come in the plane, like, air hostess to give me some food on the tray so that I sit like this and eat.
Absolutely, I can understand, and I am also like feeling the same thing. That somebody should come and serve us now.
No? Oh, this is crazy. Now we are there. We are like air hostess is serving everybody.
After a busy day, when finally when you enter the plane and you sit, and that time that feeling is so very good after finishing everything. जब आप finally plane में बैठ जाते हो, that feeling is so amazing. And when you eat there something, that's the best feeling to get. I feel मुझे लगता है.
I tell you, Surbi, especially if you're traveling internationally, you're vegetarian and you have nothing to eat. और जैसे ही by chance if you have booked Indian Airlines और वो महाराजा lunch आ जाता है, महाराजा lunch dinner, looking at that tray served in Indian Airlines, especially Thailand से China से किसी भी, you will be fine in European countries or from United States or anywhere, मगर जो typical Asian countries है वहाँ में हमें actually हम लोग भूखे वहीं पे मरते हैं ज़्यादा.
Yes, actually, I'm also a vegetarian. I mean, during my Thailand visit, I had it. For vegetarians,
Thai vegetarian food is very nice, right? Thai.
True.
Vegetarian food is nice, but then, I mean, when you're traveling, it's not that accessible all the time.
No.
So,
I visited China, and then I'm allergic to seafood. So only thing I could eat was chicken. So I had so much chicken. When I came back, I never had chicken for like 2-3 months. So I was there was some aversion to the chicken because
same.
Eggs and chicken.
I understand. I also had stewed vegetables and boiled vegetables so much during my Thailand visit that my weight was further down. I mean, when I went from here, my weight was even further down, and I felt like I'll never eat a cauliflower and broccoli in my life ever again.
Oh my
But
God.
then after coming back, it's all back.
And when you see the other contestants, they're like galloping so much of food. Arey baap re.
They were enjoying so much, and I was thinking that, am I missing something? I mean, is it something I should now eat, try, what? But then I was not able to. I mean, I'm a vegetarian since the childhood, so I couldn't. But then looking at them, I was thinking,
for
what important life we must carry.
I know.
Yeah.
But actually now everywhere there is vegan food and everything. But still vegan is different and vegetarian is...
Still vegan is,
Yeah.
We are used to, I mean, I have a very much Indian, taste buds. So I like vegetarian Indian food, I think. So then I miss it a lot whenever I travel. I carry a lots of MTR and ready-to-eat food.
Oh yeah. When once we went to Paris and we stayed there for a long time. So we were craving for South Indian food, and we went to this Sarvana Bhavan. So we just took the menu, me and my sister. We just said one of this. Around 12 or 13 dishes we ordered. When we were like 6 people, the waiter said, "Is it for everyone?" It's like we were laughing. No, only for 2 of us. We ordered chole bhatura, we ordered paneer, mushroom, whatever was there in the dosa, idli, sambar, everything we ordered.
I can understand. And South Indian food gives a very good satiety. When you're like craving for food from long, then South Indian food gives you that feeling of completeness.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah, dosa.
I carry that MTR for upma and sambar rice and rasam rice whenever I travel.
Yeah, rasam is a comfort food.
So going to different places, coming back home.
Ma'am is sitting in Hawaii.
Yeah, I'm in Hawaii.
Yes, ma'am.
Hawaii. In Thailand, you remember your husband and your son got so many MTR packets and instant food. And I was then they said, and you went and you joined them in their room, right? After pageant. And, she said, Madam, aaja, hamare room mein aajo. And I went there, she was like with full of a big platter in upma. Aapko kya chahiye hai? Khichdi chahiye, upma chahiye. I was like, seriously. All these things.
They carried one bag full of ready-to-eat food and then homemade puri, sabzi, this, that, dal khichdi and what not. And I was like relishing, and we all ate together. We were all sitting together and we were deciding what to eat now, upma now or dal khichdi now or what to eat. That was so much fun.
So I usually take MTR Bisibele bath everywhere.
That's also very good.
Yeah, that's very
Very good.
Very good. Even now they have dal khichdi option. That is also very good. Different brands are also available. We carried a lot.
So apart from food in a travel, what else you miss? You know, the stress. And what you think that, you know, like अभी हमारा जो travel जो है अभी कम हो रहा है, we're not going to travel much. So you not traveling, how you think will adversely impact? Like I'm not traveling, so events are not happening. You know, so the direct effect is on that. So अगर आप travel नहीं करते हो तो क्या आपको लगता है कि क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है या कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ने वाला?
ट्रैवल नहीं करते हैं तो वी आर जस्ट मिसिंग ट्रैवलिंग. ऐसे फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. लाइफ इज गोइंग नॉर्मल.
For me, it definitely makes
But
a
yeah, my
difference.
husband must be missing travel a lot. He used to travel every week,
Yes.
so he is missing it badly.
So I need to go out of the house at least once in a day, and then out of this chaos. Bangalore, you know how it is. It is crazy in Bangalore, the traffic, the people. So once in a week we have to travel somewhere, otherwise we go mad. So I miss
Yeah, just for a lunch or a dinner or a breakfast or something.
The best thing I like about traveling is whenever I'm traveling, I sleep a lot and I hawk during breakfast, because looking at the different options during breakfast time, it's so much fun. Eat, and come back and sleep.
Yeah.
So that's the best stress-free time, I think. When you travel, you really get to sleep, relax, be in your own zone. So I'm going to miss that for sure.
Yeah, hotel beds are the best. You can never
Exactly.
you can never get that comfort at home, no matter where you source your pillows from or bed from.
Wherever.
So I don't know. So there's something with the hotel beds and pillows and the
Exactly.
duvet.
And even their
I
AC
just-
I love
system, you know.
Yeah, I love making tea in hotel rooms and ordering tea, sitting in my bed and relaxing and having tea. I'm a tea lover, enjoy tea a lot.
I miss ordering club sandwich. Any hotel I go, the first thing I order is a club sandwich. Vegetarian club.
Yes.
Yeah, and with उसके बाद वो chips और the fries आते हैं ना, my interest will be more into the chips.
Fries आते हैं.
The fries will be 4 to 5 fries, but उसके लिए I will order a complete vegetarian club sandwich.
Club sandwich. And it's very filling, very tasty.
Yeah.
Wherever you go, club sandwich is a very nice option to order.
Yeah, and it's available like all the time.
All the time.
So that is something I'm really missing. I'm really missing a coffee, sipping coffee, sitting on airport. All that hush hush, running.
Husband.
Because I will never reach airport on time. हमेशा दौड़ के, it's an adventure for me every time I travel. So, or very less, I will have lunch or dinner because I just reach before the gates are about to close. So I make sure that I have a coffee. So I'm missing that coffee, airport wala coffee.
Yeah, I miss hot chocolate.
So
I'm a tea lover. Nothing like tea for me.
Yeah, even tea and hot chocolate.
nowadays, so I'm mixing coffee, tea with chocolate drink, whatever I'm getting. अभी chocolate drink नहीं होता है तो I'll use Manu's and she will be like, "Mummy, आप मेरा क्यों पी रहे हो?"
At home, we feel like relishing different things all the time.
Yeah, I
No,
keep
and
on
actually
baking.
now, the dates can come, I think. So I said, "नहीं अभी made कुछ नहीं चाहिए." I'm leaving. I think I have. I started enjoying this phase of doing things on our own.
It's the same here. I'm also enjoying keeping my things. Cleaning my house as per I want. I'm feeling very good doing my things myself.
That is quite opposite with me because I have small children. Like 3 of them are there at home now. One child is different. 3 children is totally different.
I can
Who is
understand.
the third children? Your husband?
My sister, Why? No, not my husband.
He's also a child. But
Yeah, kind of.
Because he must be also like a child.
No, he helps me, and I've not let him to become a child.
so too much of work for you at home, no? Managing three kids together.
No, you clean from one side, and from the other side, it's the destruction is happening from the other side, and the paints and the glue and the glitter everywhere. My house is filled with arts and craft stuff, and they keep making something. So I've just let them do whatever they want to do, and there's no point fighting and
It's
scolding them.
good that
What is the one thing that you would like to do the moment this lockdown is going to get over? But it should be something travel related. Maybe travel for food or planning, or you don't want to travel at all. Anything that you are planning immediately after this break, lockdown break.
Yeah, we were planning to go to Disneyland, so that got cancelled. So I'm gonna take my kids to Disneyland in USA, and also I want to go wherever your background is.
I'm in Hawaii. In Chennai, see if you really like to see only the beaches, not the environment that you find around the foreign beaches and all that. That you want to go around in the swimwear and all that. If you walk, if you can skip that, you have actually 10 times beautiful sea beaches in Chennai. Just I think 8 to 10 kilometers you have to travel out of Chennai and you reach to Mahabalipuram. Beautiful resorts, beautiful food. You can get vegetarian food also, and it is something really amazing. I think we really even don't have to travel internationally. The only thing is what we miss is we miss the privacy that Indian beaches. I think we don't give that privacy on the beaches.
okay.
That's
I'm very much interested to visit Pondicherry.
Yeah, we should
Very
go.
beautiful. I heard a lot about Pondicherry.
Yes, yes. So we planned ना actually हमने plan भी किया था.
हाँ हमने plan भी किया था and I'm very much
Didn't
interested
happen.
to go to Pondicherry.
It didn't happen ना. This lockdown came, but I tell you, Pondicherry is in our plan and we will do something.
Yes.
Let this coronavirus disappear.
Yeah.
So we should do. See, in Pondicherry, I tell you, most of our homecomings happened in Pondicherry only. And then
Okay.
yeah. And when we went, there were rains, so it was like full of greenery. We were in one resort which was full of.
Oh,
Yes, we should go there.
surely,
I
Shari.
didn't
I
hear.
would love to. They have lots of French culture and all that. I've heard a lot about it. So I just want to go and experience the kind of food and all they eat and the kind of culture they have. I just want to explore that.
Pondicherry is very adventurous, and if you want to actually, if you really like to do this surfing, right, sea surfing, with all that the surfs that go up and down. There is a huge surfing school is there, and it is, I mean the resort near to that. It is some sort of not exactly the French resort, but the architecture is almost like a French houses, bungalows.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I think
Yeah,
we
I've
should.
also heard. I've never been to Pondi actually.
So we'll keep it in our list, our top list, so that whenever this lockdown and all gets over, that should be our first destination. We all should go together.
Yes.
Girls gang.
If you want to see Mrs. India's in real, you have to come to Pondicherry, guys.
Come to Pondicherry, yes. Girls gang will go there and we'll have fun.
Yes, and we have. I mean, Pondicherry is something like my like weekend destination. We go there very frequently. It's very
Okay.
close from Chennai, so you
Close
just
to Chennai.
just book your resort, take your vehicle, and start. There's
So it's like driving distance from
crazy.
Chennai.
You find this crazy travel when you travel from Mumbai to Pune highway. The travel
Okay,
is crazy. No, that is not there.
The road is, I've heard it's good.
Amazing.
Wow.
So,
So
chalo,
our
in
first
today's
destination.
tourism queen discussion, we planned some travel.
Yes. And we had to go to, I had to come to Bhubaneswar. That trip
Yes.
also is now on hold. as soon as this lockdown will get over, I'll have to come to Bhubaneswar. I'll have to visit Puri. I had to visit my sister-in-law who stays in Bhubaneswar. So that plan was there in April. I had to come there in April, and now everything got changed. So I
See,
think
when you
first
will
place I'll
travel,
go
no?
after lockdown is that Bhubaneswar only.
So from
Got
this,
the family.
what we can learn is you
See,
should
when you're
not
going to
plan. You should just do it. No,
Oh,
you
I'm
don't know.
sorry, actually.
If you want to
Plans,
go somewhere, just go. Don't plan
plans
it.
actually get disturbed. We should just go whenever we are getting
yes.
time. We should just start. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
when
going to
you
follow
guys will
now.
come to Bhubaneswar, I tell you, I'm going to cook me myself typical rustic dishes. Bhubaneswar,
Wow.
there are many rustic dishes. Like you will directly keep the food on the fire. With all that coal and all that rustic dishes. Actually, I planned it so much. That we'll go
Yeah.
to Puri and then I'll cook all this stuff. And all that khayali pulao I cooked so much because I wasn't aware कि ये होने वाला है करके.
Actually,
You know,
along with you, I've also cooked so much of khayali pulao for that place because, as I told, my eldest sister-in-law stays there, so we had planned to visit her. They even had a family function on like first week of April, so everything got postponed and सारे
nothing.
khayali
Yeah.
pulao हमारे पकते ही रह गए. So let's see immediately as everything
Especially,
settles first.
ecotourism. Ecotourism is very strong in Odisha. I think Odisha must be the number one when it comes to the ecotourism. So they have
Okay.
these resorts, almost like in jungle. There you can cook like the way you want. So they give you all the, whatever the things required,
Uh-huh.
utensils required. So you can make your own food, and that is, I mean, I have never tried, and I want to
Uh-huh.
try like forever.
Wow, that's so interesting. Cooking
Yes.
yourself, and that's so nice.
Where is it, ma'am?
In Odisha,
Odisha.
the ecotourism is the highest. I mean, they have planned it in such a way that and there is so much forest area nearby.
Okay.
Bhubaneswar is also, very close to the forest department.
Okay.
And
Wow.
in Odisha, the culture of picnic is still there. So they take the food, they go to the location, and then they cook. So that is
Wow.
something I'm craving like from long time because हम लोग तो ऐसा नहीं करते ना. We never cook when the picnic is something I must have done. Maybe in
This is
the
something, huh? This is something we used to enjoy
Even in
earlier, and
childhood.
now it's somewhat it's somewhat not there now. This culture is
It's
not
not
there
there.
now. We carry our food or we go and we eat in the restaurant, whatever.
Earlier, we used to take steel plates and spoons.
Steel
Nowadays,
plates, yes.
because of the disposables, it has been banned.
Now, but then I think that was so
I
good.
remember when we were young, my mom used to take steel plates and spoons wherever we go. Even for pani puri also, we used to take
Yes.
our own
We used to
plates.
take our own mats.
Yeah. Nowadays, just
you
people
remember one thing. एक ऐसे बड़ी सी बोतल आती थी. उस बोतल के अंदर glasses.
Exactly. Yes.
The gadget. It was like a gadget. वो जो भी लेके
Gadget. Yes.
वो he's the he's very happening and very yo-yo type because they have that bottle. जैसे खोला कि होता था ना जिसमें बहुत सारे glasses रहते थे. It was something things that were required.
There used to be a picnic set also, जो कार में पीछे you could keep it, full set used to come and people used to keep it in their houses कि जब भी and winters में it was very common to go for picnic. School वाले picnic लेके जाते थे, family picnic and
And then we used to carry one big
picnic.
water carrier with the tap, if you remember.
Yes. That bottle, camper type. All these things I love. I mean, are not existing anymore types. I mean, we are not enjoying those things at all.
No, but in Odisha that still exists.
Wow.
So that is what I'm thinking when we will come to Odisha, we will plan that type of a picnic. And we'll pick the food from the farms and then we will make it.
We'll
I
make
think
it.
that fun is something. Everything else I think we have enjoyed. Now this coming back to the basics is needed.
It's needed, yes. And it's fun. It's very much fun. Our kids also need to see those basic things which we have already enjoyed. Need to show them as well. कि ये भी है, and it's too much fun.
Too much of fun.
I mean, water body के पास जाके putting your feet in that and taking water from there for cooking and all. It's now
Wow.
non-existent.
We used to do that.
Yeah.
I keep at least I try to take them and enjoy the nature once in a while. So now at home they don't even know how to play by themselves because they're not used to. So I tell them we used to have only one doll, and we used to do makeup and hairstyle and wedding. The other stuffed doll used to get them married and everything.
Yes. Exactly. We used to cook chote vessels. We used to cook mini meals
We
with
used
the
to make
biscuits,
them
crushing biscuits and all.
We used to cook. It's all good memories.
Yes, yes. And all these things, they become stories when we grow old.
Yeah.
ऐसे करते थे हम लोग.
Now our children will tell. We learned all that when there was a virus, it came, and then we learned all
There was a
things
lockdown.
during the lockdown.
So
सब लोग
now,
घर पे बंद थे. That time we learned, that time we've seen so many things and learned so many things.
true. So now we have planned what we are going to do after the lockdown is over. So tourism queen have a plan on the place. Now we have to make sure that we are going to implement that. But
Sure.
it's going to take a long time. So you have to keep yourself prepared. At least till June, July, August, I don't think world is going to go anywhere.
This
And I
next
think we
year
should
only.
not also, and I think we should not also go, I mean,
We should not be.
Till
because,
December, maybe next year travel.
yes,
Till
yes.
next year.
No hurry, worry. Our plan is ready. Whenever everything settles, everything
it.
is quiet. Right time to
Let's
travel.
just
We'll
hope
start.
some vaccination is work. It's going to work and then save us all.
True, true, true. So you girls are, glowing like anything. I don't know. So what are you doing?
This is all.
Both of
Stay
you
home.
are glowing
Stay
like,
home,
oh my
shine at home.
God.
You're staying at home, eating well.
Stay home, shine. No sun exposure, so no tanning and taking care of our skin, sleeping a lot. So all this is coming on our skin.
No
I go
emails
stand
from
in the
Mrs.
sun.
India. ये करो, वो करो, इधर जाओ, उधर जाओ.
कहीं जाना नहीं है. Only videos. Nowhere to go. No, not much of makeup to be done. We're all natural ourselves.
True, 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 true. And I think this is what we were
I
craving
felt
actually.
good. I feel good to do makeup once in a while. It's been a long time, so I did one nice makeup. Lipstick,
It's fun now.
eyeliner.
It's fun now to put on makeup. Earlier we used to do it almost every day. Now it's at times we are doing it.
Yeah, my daughters were like, "Where are you going, Mama? Where are you going, Mama?" Like nothing into the room.
No, it is fun, and I'm actually feeling good after talking face to face. क्योंकि phone में चाहे जितना भी बात कर लो, I don't think that gives the satisfaction of what we are doing now.
No. वो जो देख के facial expressions के साथ you get this satisfaction. You get that funny talks or serious talks. When you're seeing the expression, it gives that feeling.
True.
Correct.
So cooking and all, see, who does more of the cooking, you or your husband?
I am doing cooking a lot. I enjoy cooking. Cooking is kind of my passion. So I'm enjoying it. So during this period, I have tried what not. In last 30-40 days, I've tried what not. My husband is also surprised. Oh my God, every day you're cooking something new.
See, I tell you one thing for sure, Abhishek is the luckiest person on earth, मतलब इतनी अच्छी wife मिली है, and you're working also, right?
I'm sure he should listen to this. Yes, I'm working, ma'am. I'm working with the healthcare industry. So I'm associated with hospital from past 10-11 years.
Oh my God. So there's no work from home for you.
No work from home for me. Earlier I was going regularly. Now because of the mandate that only 33% staffing should be there, so now I'm going alternate days. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Like
Oh my God.
initially we were going regular. So because
Priyanka to said कि three kids. So I know that she have two kids and third kid is her husband.
She's on full-time job.
No.
They're managing.
No, ma'am. My niece is also here.
So she's anyways busy all time.
That is
Only is it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Pavitra is with you only?
Yeah. We are all whole family. We are staying together.
Oh,
Wow,
My
lovely.
mom
that's so
and dad
good.
and Pavitra.
That's so nice.
My mom and dad came recently, and they were in a safe place somewhere in the estate, and then they came here and they got stuck here. They could not go back.
Oh.
They are
But
here
then
for
you're
some
so
But
time.
it's
lucky.
so
You don't have much of work pressure.
No, but yeah, my mom is helping and my sister is there. So somehow we are managing. Each of us are
Yeah, at
doing
least
something.
you don't have a stress. Everyone is in front of your eyes. So
Yeah,
Mhm.
that is there.
so
And it keeps
imagine.
you moving, family around, so much of energy around.
Okay, there might be some tensions because we are not used to work and all. But having them in front of eyes is much more better than all this going through this all this stress of separation.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
I don't.
Very nice feeling.
Very nice feeling. Because Debo keep traveling now because he is into all these medical equipments and all that. So उनके लिए तो काम double है. So he keeps traveling.
He's very busy, no? He must be very,
Yeah,
very
he's
busy.
very busy. Like last 2 3 days, I said that you are not going to touch your laptop. There's so much of work now.
Yeah. Ma'am, I need to take a call, some important office call coming.
So you got a call?
Yeah, very important. I just need.
Okay, please pick the call. Please pick the call. You can go. Me and Priyanka will keep talking. You can join back. Or I think we can disconnect. Almost 19 minutes done. Oh, Priyanka, your daughter has come, I think, from behind. How cute.
And yeah, it's,
Oh, she left.
7. Hello, I'm back.
yeah,
So sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Important office call, so couldn't miss my CEO was calling.
Oh, then why don't you take the call?
Just for 2 minutes.
some network.
Acha. Oh, good. So, okay. So, how you think, Abhi, we'll have next 5 minutes, okay? I'm actually enjoying this conversation. मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
No.
Your daughter, when she's coming, it looks like she's coming out of this fog, and then when she's going,
She's disappearing in fog again and again.
ऐसे लग रहा है कि वो fog से आ रही है.
She
Actually,
no, she has a Zoom ballet class at 5:30. I totally forgot. It is starting now.
Oh.
but
Hello.
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah, she has a ballet class at 5:30 on Zoom.
Oh, okay. No, we're gonna finish in next 5 minutes. They're just closing the talk.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm actually enjoying this conversation, which was totally
Yeah.
unplanned. But we being on Tourism Queen, we have to speak about travel. What travel we are missing and what we have planned, and we have discussed everything now, so we know what is next once this lockdown is over for all the tourism queens of Mrs. India. So we have planned Pondi and in Odisha, Jagannath Puri, and Tirupati as well. It's very close from Chennai. I think it's just 2 hours of drive from Chennai. So we can plan Tirupati, and I mean we are not going to go into all the spiritual mode of doing all Tirthi Yatras, but I think we can have lots of fun. And we should keep meeting. I'm actually enjoying this conversation more than a meeting.
Me too.
Same here. It's so much of fun. And enjoying your backgrounds, I'm feeling like I'm traveling. Two places I've covered.
I'm feeling today. Today I'm feeling like I'm really in some resort, and
You are?
it is
For
cutting.
me, I'm actually getting
looks
that feel.
like
Your
that.
hair and everything is giving me that feel you are in Hawaii.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, it is cutting my head sometimes and hands and all that, but I think that's okay. It's cool.
Yeah, it's looking nice. It's giving such a nice feeling.
So we will disconnect this call, and I know that you girls are really super busy. When I am also super busy, half of my life is going in cleaning and this thing. But we have decided we are not going to discuss our flights here. There are actually very, very, very big tensions and very stressful things that are happening in this world. So we're not going to discuss our flight. This call was really interesting, and we will continue. Both of you are looking absolutely beautiful. Next time I'm gonna come with a bit of makeup on my face, not like this. So no, but both of you are looking absolutely stunning. Your skin is glowing, and I don't know what you girls are doing. So keep doing. Keep doing. So,
Sleeping a lot,
yeah, we will have so many
resting, being at home.
shoots. Yeah, looking so pretty.
I'm eating well.
So whenever free, keep messaging, keep following our Facebook page. And to all our audience who are watching us, please subscribe our YouTube channel and our Tourism Queen channel, our Facebook, our Instagram. And we are going to come back again and again with our beautiful queens. You know, from long time, actually, they were missing the queens. Now they are happy. So next time, probably, again, we'll come back with few more faces so that we can have a beautiful discussions like this.
Yes.
Okay, girls, then I take a leave. Bye-bye, take care. And
Bye, ma'am. Pleasure talking to you and Priyanka. Amazing.
Same
Same
here,
here.
Surabhi. Take care. Take care, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye.
And
Bye-bye.
any message you want to give, yeah, like don't go out of the home or cook healthy food, whatever the message that you want to give for your fans and our Mrs. India audience.
I would like to say be patient. This too shall pass. So
Yes.
patience is very important now. So with the kids or with family or outside or going out is prohibited, I know. So patience is the key. So have patience, eat healthy, stay inside.
Yes.
Take care.
And from my side, you can see, I mean, I'm keeping my house in the background to, inspire everyone. Just stay home, stay safe, decorate your house. And, that's the loveliest place on this earth. Enjoy your time. So this time is not going to come again and again. Enjoy
Yes.
your time. Have a lovely family gala time. And see you all soon.
See you soon. And this time is never ever going to come back. Really enjoy it. World is not going to go stand still again. So enjoy
We
the
don't want that again.
Yes.
We don't want that again. Yes.
No.
Yeah.
So
We should not let it go.
स्वस्थ रहो.
Swasth raho, mast raho.
Yeah.
And also write diary about these days so that when you're old you can read the story to your grandchildren or something.
Yes.
You can write what
Now we have so much of content we have gathered to, translate to our coming generations.
Actually, yes.
Okay, dears. So bye-bye. It was very nice talking to you. We'll keep talking. We'll keep meeting. And take care. Love you all.
Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.